Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a practice 3D CAD model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Take here 2D sketch and select the XY plane. So this will be the front view. Take the line command. We'll make a center profile first. Okay, make the profile here like this and here and here. Okay, now make one profile here also like this and escape. Okay, now go to trim this profile, escape, go to dimension. Here define this total, or first we will define the inner profile. This profile will be 12.5. okay, now the next profile here, this will be of 20, and the last profile, skip, go to dimension. This profile here will be of 25. okay, now here I'll define the total length. This will be of 50 mm. okay, this will be of 8 mm, and this middle one will be of 15 mm. So this will be the profile. Now I have made the half of the profile. Okay, now I'll make here. So escape, select this, delete or undo this, go to mirror, select this complete profile, go to mirror line, select the center, apply and done. Select the center line, make it construction, finish sketch, take here extrude, and I'll take here symmetric extrude, and extrude will be of 80 mm. Press OK. Now here select this face, go to create sketch, go to line command. Now here you can see one line profile has been created automatically. Select this point, go to home. So this line is for this inner reference. Right view, make one line here, escape, go to arc command, take 3-point arc, select this and make one arc here, go to line command and make one straight line, escape. Okay, select this point and place it over here. Go to tangent constraint, select this, select this, select this and select this, select this and select this. So the arc will be tangent to all the profiles. Go to dimension, define the radius here as 15 mm. Okay, and press OK. Go to line and make a cutting profile here. Okay, till this, enter, and start from here till here and this. Escape, finish sketch, take extrude, select this profile. Okay, it is selecting the complete. Double click sketch 2, select here, make it construction, select this, make it construction, and select this, make it construction. Finish sketch, take extrude, select this profile, select this profile. I'll flip the direction. Now you can see only the curve profile will be left. Okay, and here I'll take all, so this will be a through cut and press OK. Okay, now here select this inner face, go to create sketch, go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Now go to sketch, take the line command, and here I'll make one line here and make one line like this and escape. Okay, now go to the parallel constraint, select this and escape. go to dimension, define this height as 4 mm, okay, and finish sketch. Go to view, visual style, change it to shaded with edges. Now we have constructed a profile inside to increase the height. Go to 3D model, take extrude, and here I'll take 2 next. Okay, rotate. So up to this face, this extrude will be possible. Press OK, rotate. Okay, now select this top face, go to create sketch, rotate, and here take rectangle command, take 2-point rectangle, make a rectangle profile here, go to dimension, define this as 12, okay, and here select this profile from backside and select here. So this will be 55 and this will be of 24 mm. Okay, now here go to the vertical constraint, select this point, select this point. So this will be constraint. Go to 3D model, take extrude, flip the direction and take a depth of 4 mm and press OK. So this will be a cutout profile. Select this face, go to create sketch. Here take the circle command, drag the cursor on this, select the center point, make dia 15, finish sketch, take extrude, and here click on cut, and here I'll take all. So this will be a through cut and press OK. Now select this corner edge, click here fillet, take fillet of 2 mm, rotate, select this edge, 2 mm fillet and press OK. Rotate the profile and here I'll change the appearance. I'll take a chrome polished, okay, go to part 3, you can see the same profile, go to part 3, okay. So this will be the final output. This was a basic tutorial to how to construct these sort of models in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.